Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you a very simple yet easy way to connect your Android mobile phone to your desktop or laptop. For this to work, you should have an application called Phone Link installed both on your system and mobile. Windows 10 and 11 already have this app pre-installed. Search it from the Start menu to open it. In case you are not able to see one, simply browse this link, and select Get in Store app. This will open up the App Store for you to download from there. Secondly, you should have a Microsoft account. You can create one from here. And third, your mobile and laptop should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you have this application set up, select Get Started. It will ask you to download the same application on your mobile. Simply search Phone app in the Play Store and have it installed on your mobile. Now, select this option and click on Pair with QR code. Now you will be asked to enter your Microsoft account. You can enter one here. Afterward, it will ask you to scan a QR code. Open the same application on your mobile device and scan this QR code. Now your phone should start pairing with your system. Click Done to finish the configuration. So here you go. You now have your mobile phone connected to your system. You can send messages, receive calls, review your mobile notifications and even review your mobile phone gallery from here. To make calls, the Phone Link app would require you to turn your mobile's Bluetooth on. This will require you to input a pair code on your mobile. Simply allow this on your mobile. Now you should be able to make calls from your laptop. If you like my video, please comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Until next time. Goodbye.